Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new topic in EVS, which is things we do during the day and during the night. Okay, so if you remember, if you look some of the things you do during the day and during the night, there are a lot of differences. And so you don't sleep during the day, but you wake up during the day. You play during the day, but you do not play during the night. Okay, so let us look at what are the things we do during the day and what are the things we do during the night. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, so first thing you do once the sun rises is wake up from the sleep. Okay, you have been sleeping during the night and you wake up from the sleep. Some of you wake up on your own, whereas some of you wait for your mamas to come and shake you up from the sleep. Some of you have hens at home and you listen to the rooster crying in the morning. Okay, so first thing we do in the morning is wake up from the sleep. So once you wake up from the sleep, you need to say a little prayer. Okay, you need to thank God for giving you another day in your life. So say a little prayer and then you have to make your bed. So don't just leave your blankets and pillows just like that and go away waiting for your mama to come and clean up your bed. No, you have to fold your blankets and arrange your pillows. You can get help from your mamas if it is a heavy blanket, but it is your responsibility to make your bed and keep it neat after you get out of the bed from your sleep. Okay, the next thing you do is brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth and then you also wash your face and wash your hands with soap and water. Then you wear clean clothes and comb your hair. Okay, do a little bit of exercise in the morning, a little bit of stretching or breathing exercise, which is good to keep you energetic throughout the day. Then you eat your breakfast. Okay, so you have been fasting all night, so morning you need to eat your breakfast. Never skip your breakfast. So you eat all healthy food for your breakfast like idli, dosa, appam. You can eat all oats porridge. Okay, eggs for breakfast, which is good. Never eat noodles and such junk foods for breakfast. Then when the school is open, you get ready for school. You wear your uniform, pack your bags with the books, pack a water bottle and snacks box, wear clean shoes, comb your hair. Now because you don't go to school, you wear clean clothes for your online classes. Okay, you do not sit in your online class wearing the same night dress, but wear clean clothes, formal clothes when you sit for your online classes. Then you go to the school, you have classes, the teacher teaches you something, you do a lot of activities. Then you go to the playground and play with your friends on the slide, on the swing, on the seesaw. And then in the afternoon, you eat your lunch. Okay, so from the canteen, you remember, Annas bring lunch, rice and curries for you, and then you eat all your food. Then in LKG, we did go to sleep for some time, isn't it? So you slept for some time, you woke up, you had your snacks, and then now it is time for you to go back home. So you take the school bus to home. Once you reach home, some of you would like to still play, some of you like to watch TV. So these are the things we do during the daytime. Now let us look what are the things we do during the night. So after you finish your playing and all that, you go take a bath. Okay, because you have been out playing and you went to the school, so there might be germs on you, so you need to stay clean and healthy, so you need to take a bath. Okay, then you sit down to write your homework. So sometimes your mama helps you, sometimes your papa helps you. So you do your homework, then you sit and eat dinner with your family. So the food you eat at night is called dinner. So you sit and eat dinner with your family. Then sometimes you sit as a family and watch television, isn't it? So most of you must be fighting for the remote control. Don't do that. Okay, so be good children, take turns. And then after you watch television, Then you change your clothes into your night dress. Okay, you need to wear something warm and comfortable to keep you from cold, especially in Munnar when the weather is very cold. Then you go brush your teeth again at night. It is important to brush your teeth at night also, because if you do not brush your teeth at night, when you're sleeping, the germs and bacteria wake up and they try to harm your teeth. Okay, so after that, some of you like to listen to stories. So your mama might be reading stories for you. Sometimes papa is reading stories for you before you go to bed. Then you say a little prayer before you go to bed. You thank God for the wonderful day you had. The God kept you from harm and any illness. And then you say a prayer. And then can you see that little girl has a toy? Some of you like to hug your toy when you go to sleep. Some of you like to hug your mamas. Okay, so say a prayer and then you cover yourself nicely and go to sleep. So that is what you do during the night time. So have you all understood what you do during the daytime and night time? Yes? Okay. So thank you.